who I am. And we can square this thing as men. That I'm able. But I will not do that in front of the Senate of Kenya, because I respect the Senate. That is an institution of the Republic of Kenya that I will not want to place a bad name. That I want to do. Okay. But I'm ready to face Sifuna and the rest. 3 of you. I don't even need 1. I need 3 of you by myself outside the Senate. Look for me away from the Senate. Let us not put a bad name on our Senate. That one I won't allow. Today, what we did is unforgivable. But I ask you guys to move out of the Senate. Look for me. I'm going to have to stay somewhere in the restaurant. If that's what you want, let's do it outside the Senate of Kenya. The Senate of Kenya is a sacred place. It is for people who are mature. It is for people who represent the Republic of Kenya. It is for people who have all good for the Kenyan people. It is not a place to fight. And I don't want to fight in the Senate. No, no. But that one doesn't take the fact that I'm a man. If that is all you need, don't come 1, come the 3 of you. I'll deal with you.